Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Redmi 12, and now I'm gonna show you how to activate keyboard clipboard on this device. To do it, you just need to open any application when you can use the keyboard. For example, let it be Chrome. Then here you will see the arrow button, so click on it, and here you will see the clipboard button. If you have no clipboard here, click on the 3 dots button, find clipboard here and tap and hold it and move it to the upper part of your keyboard panel. Cool. So now click on the clipboard and click turn on clipboard. And cool, now we have enabled the clipboard on our device, and now when we wanna paste something, so just click on clipboard and choose one of the tips you have here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.